So, hello, Happy New Year. Give me 1 second here. Everything just crashed right now. OBS crashed, and I have to rearrange myself. Anyway, this is I just started my computer, and well, somehow I didn't use my computer for almost 2 weeks now because simply of holiday. But now we are in the new year 2025. I wish you all the best. Yeah? Good trades, and of course, a healthy and yeah, nice family this year. So I can see there already Stephen is there, and hello C here on Discord. So already I just have to rearrange in my Discord. And actually, I couldn't even subscribe to my Rhythmic data feed. Sometimes it just uh, messed up with Apex. They did not accept my credit card, but now it's working. So I should also get new real-time data. Anyway, I think now everything is here more or less in place. Hello, Ralph. Yeah, Happy New Year to you. And yeah, let's start. Yeah, see more and more people are coming. So, Stephen, hello. I know I can also see you here on Discord. Yeah, Happy New Year to you all. And well, yeah, today is the 2nd of January, first trading day, and I hope you had a good Christmas days and yeah, well, like we say in German, guten Rutsch ins neue Jahr. And you celebrated a lot and did not blow off your hands with some firecrackers, at least here in Germany. Yeah, let's see what the markets are going to do today. And again, now from every Thursday here at 3 p.m. Central European time or 9 a.m. Eastern time, we are having our order flow show. For everyone who doesn't know me yet, I started trading at the age of 13. I set up my first finance or investment company at the age of 17 with two partners. They actually also taught me the yeah, investment business, especially what are hedge funds, what is how to manage private equity, and basically how to trade. Yeah. Then I sold my shares in that company a couple of years later, and I moved to China, where I set up a second investment company with a Chinese partner together. And at the peak time, I had $156 million under management, and yeah, we were doing private investments in China, trading Hang Seng Index. I was trading a lot of gold, crude oil, and these sort of products. Then, if you're quite successful in China, well, I got yeah, the Chinese government simply puts you away, and they put me in first Chinese detention center for 3.5 years, and then another 4.5 years into Chinese prison for outsmarting the Chinese finance system. And well, I was released in December 2018, and the first thing that you're going to do is to write a book. I wrote a book, it's called Dragon Years or Drachenjahre in German, and there you can get more about my story. Unfortunately, it's only available in German right now, but we want to change this. This is one thing what I want to do in 2025. Right now, I am running two communities, one in German and one in English, focusing on proprietary trading, prop trading. And well, as you can see here, there are certain certificates that I received within 6 months from Apex. I'm now under probation status from Apex, and well, one day they are going to say they're going to put me on live trading, but until now I don't have any news. And this email is already a couple months old. Let's see what this year is going to show us in the prop firm industry. I think there will be interesting news. I am really eager to look forward to this because I think it's a very good way to make an income with trading without risking your own capital. Yeah. So if you're here on YouTube and if you do not have, well, if you're on YouTube, you have some sort of, yeah, you cannot post frequently messages. You simply have to connect to Discord. We have, you scan this here with your mobile phone, this code, and then you go to Discord. And there I also have my own chat room here, as you can see. You have to go to a verification and then add your Bookmap license key. Then you will be get access to this Discord channel. to the live streams also, and of course to all special features from Bookmap, which I can only recommend. And if you do not have Bookmap yet, I will also post here my affiliate link on YouTube, and you can register for the digital version, for example, or the Global Plus version. So, and now, yeah, of course, okay, well, all materials, information, presentation from Bookmap Limited are only for education purpose and should not be considered as investment advice or recommendations. The trading with futures, stocks, and cryptocurrencies has a lot of risk with it, and basically it's not suitable for all investors. And I can see this is now here in German right now. Sometimes I'm getting mixed up with the presentations. And of course, yeah, the performance from the past is not necessarily indicative of future results. So I have this now here in German, but you should understand this. So now, connecting to platform, Rhythmic connecting, yeah. I had this problem here all the time right now. Then I could not connect. Let's see how this is going to work. Otherwise, we are... So I think that's a new year problem, yeah. Don't get any connection to Rhythmic here at the moment. I still have here on my other Rhythmic account, I can connect on Quant Tower. As you can see, I have the data here, but I'm not sure why I cannot connect here right now. Connections. Probably this is, yeah, new year problem. Connecting, DX feed. Disconnect. Connect. Okay, anyway, I have here the stocks are working. Tesla, SPY, McDonald's. Give me a second here, you know, I cannot actually really... Wow, Tesla, big drop from 410 to 393. What happened here? Just before market opening. Okay. Some news that came out. Maybe someone has some information from you guys what just happened here with Tesla. And I'm trying to connect here. You know, we are live. That's it. If I cannot connect to Rhythmic, I cannot show the futures markets, and well, I don't know what the problem is. Actually, I had some problems with connecting before. I'm not sure if this is a local product. Okay, Steven, yeah, probably I going to restart this here again. Probably New Year hack. Okay, let's go to connect to Bookmap again. Oh yeah, and I have to connect to the Rhythmic Trader also, otherwise it's not going to make any sense. Takes a little second here. Anyway, we can look at the charts until we have everything sorted out here. Yes, TM, I think that was the problem, that I have to start the art trader. I forgot about that. This is why I cannot connect. Give me a second here. It's loading. Okay. Yep. Now I think it should work. no, it seems to work very good. Okay. So now we have to reload here some historical data. Okay, so still importing here the data, then we can start. Anyway, we have another 15 minutes until opening. We can look at this as a settlement price from last year, yeah, markets, a mini S&P. Settlements, last settlement price was at 5935.75. 35.75. We're going to add this one here. What we can see here basically is a base main chart picture. Yeah? What I'm looking at is we are in a range. Yeah, the simple thing here from last year to now. This is the range. If we add simply a volume profile here, from there to there, let's see where we have the settlement price. And it means we are basically trading here at around 72, around the settlement price. It's not for me personally, not the best way to trade around the settlement price because it's mostly very choppy. Yeah. If you look here now into back to Bookmap, going to add the VWAPs here again, settings, configure add-ons. So now I have to adjust everything new. This is now the year 25 and today is 0102. Five 0102 close. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them here on YouTube and on Discord. I see on Discord are not so many people, but here on YouTube, more and more people are coming. Well, and what we can see is, oh, that was a nice opportunity here, exactly hitting the VWAP, the session VWAP. That is very nice. Perfect touch. For this, I'm also adding here the contract size, 5 contracts, going to trade this. Since the big picture is that we are here in a range, yeah, for me selling the high. Again here 6036, okay, we are far away from that, but here this high at 96 would be nice for short trading opportunities. And long, again, it's a settlement price at 75.50 or 75. This small range that we can see here. And the rule, very simple for range trading, is sell the high, buy the low. Yeah. And got VWAP at the low. We can see this one is nicely working. This is from 1 a.m. Let's see if we can get this one here in Bookmap. Here, exactly. This is a nice VWAP. Green Bay, your question. I'm confused about data feed. Have to deal with data. Where do you get your data feed from? Basically, at the beginning of the month, if you use like Apex as a trading tool, then you have to manually subscribe to this data again. Yeah? You have to go to the Apex website and buy the data feed for $10 or $30 per month. You have to do this every time manually. And I also had problems to access the Apex Trader website today, or there was some problems with my credit card. At least it couldn't be verified just in the last second before the live streamer they accepted my card. There were some problems on their website. Or if you trade, I mean, I'm also trading with AMP futures and so on, then they will renew your data feed automatically and withdraw the money from your account. So this is the question that I have to know, Greenway, then I can help you. Basically, if the data is delayed, there is a payment problem. So here now we can see we have this VWAP from the low. It's very interesting. It might be a nice trading opportunity here in this area of, well, this is 65. These two zones. Otherwise, on the upside, we are going to add an anchored VWAP here. We can see this VWAP also worked quite nicely. Oh, it's very good. Good start in this, here. But as you can see on the right side, look at the order book. Yeah? The order book is very, very thin. Only 2 digits, so it's still, everyone is probably still partying. It's really difficult to trade. Yeah, or I wouldn't say it's not my time to trade, especially with this thin order book. You really have to be careful here. You can expect very fast moves. So can someone tell me what happened to Tesla? See if we find any news. If you look here on the economic calendar, global manufacturing index, that's 345. It's like 9:45 Eastern time. I do not consider it as that important. Maybe we see some small moves, like 5 points or something like that in the ES. But I do not consider it that important. Jobless claims, yeah, 211k instead of 222. Like I said, I do not judge these numbers and I cannot give you any meaning behind that. That's not my business. I just want to know that there are at 2:30 or 8:30 Eastern time that we have this news release. And we can check what impact this had on the markets. It's like 2:30. it's here. Well, also no big, was here exactly this zone with the news release. 989, no big impact that has any big meaning for me, no. Oh, and again, the market exactly hit here this VWAP from the low. This works quite well. Yes, definitely, Aloy Santa, join Discord. It's easier to post the messages there and people can help you quickly. Hello, Marius. Nice to see you here. And I cannot send the link here from Discord. It's not somehow. Oh, Ralph, the Cybertruck explodes. Yeah, it was probably. They assume it was a terror attack. I heard about this in front of the Trump building. Yeah. It's not sure what it is about. If this is really now a technical issue or is this really sort of a terror attack? Yeah. Okay. If this is the reason, but it already exploded later. Well, anyway, then I don't think that this has a big long-term impact. Anyway, I'm long in Tesla, so I don't like this. Yeah, deadly attack, Cybertruck explosion in front of the Trump hotel. They check if this might be a terrorist attack. But I think this is not long term, not a big deal, but at least the stock is at 385. If you look here at Tesla, already a big blow. It's not good. But there's another stock that I really like, and let's try if we get it here. Rigetti Computer, about quantum computing. I already posted about this in my community. During the Christmas days, I basically read 3 books about quantum mechanics. And I have to say, one of the the breakthroughs in quantum mechanics happened in 1925 from a physicist called Werner Heisenberg, and this was on my neighbor island. Yeah, every day I can watch from my island to this island. The island is called Helgoland, and in 1925, Werner Heisenberg developed an interesting formula about quantum mechanics, which was a breakthrough at that time to basically identify certain rules. Yeah. And yeah, so that was just like exactly 10 kilometers away from my home. And if we can watch yet Rigetti, Rigetti is they are developing quantum computers, and they made a breakthrough also last week or last month. And I posted this stock to buy at $11, 11.27. I went in and now we're at $16 within 1 week. But this stock came from like 60 cents 2 months ago. Now we're at $16, but I still believe there's a huge potential in, especially in quantum computing. Yeah, these are old news. Musk wanted to kill Trump. Yeah, probably. Probably, I think it's time to continue buying Tesla again here. Yeah? And 387. I do not think that this, but this news is old. But the drop happened here at 3 p.m. They're just writing about this news here in the German news also. But this news is just, you can see some pictures here, yeah, about this. Yeah, I do not think that this can have a last impact on the stock. Definitely not. Still also long in MCD, McDonald's. If we can close the gap here back to 310, that would be nice, but still the stock is dumpling around there. Anyway, the best investment right now is Rigetti, I think, also for the next. For this year, probably we can see price levels above $100. Yeah, that would be nice. Now we just wait for the market opening. 2 more minutes to go. One more minute. Okay, now. Okay, now data latency. Back to normal. And I think the VWAP here from the high might be interesting to. I mean, the big picture didn't change here. This is the range, yeah. Probably we are going back to settlement price and this area. This is the VWAP from the high. I might consider with maybe, let's see. Take profit, stop loss, 10 ticks for my feeling. Well, oh, 8. Still try to get a short trade here in this level. 3 lots. The market did not get here my VWAP. Configure add-ons. Oh, okay, 20 wrong data here. 22, 25. So now the picture is better here. The image. Oh, we can see the second standard deviation is also working quite nicely here. Touch, touch. But still the order book, if you look at here, I think most of the people are still on vacation. There is not much here in the book. Can't see any surprises here in the SPY index with liquidity levels. Also nothing. $95. So where do you want to go? Where's the next support? Well, 36 here. Settlement price 23. 911. Here on Discord, I think you should be able to hear me, or at least. I have other news. Tesla is secretly replacing batteries in the Cybertrucks. You are, well, yeah, at least the stock doesn't look good. 382 right now. But there's one saying, never bet against Tesla. Yeah? But I think here on Discord you are able to hear me. Yeah? So now, well, there's even here, if I trail my sell limit order, even here this level might be interesting session VWAP to go short, probably a more realistic level than this one here. But at the end, like I said, next level is here 36.75. I would simply go long there at the settlement price. But then also with a larger stop loss and larger take profit. 36.75 cent. Yeah. So wow, Tesla now -7%. That's 375. Well, means the whole market doesn't look that good. So at least if we can get the first trade of the year here, short at VWAP, the session VWAP, or long at the settlement price. Gee, why my bookmap is delayed by 15 minutes? I cannot give you the answer. Yeah, probably it has something to do with your data feed. Which data feed are you using? That is the first question that we have to know, yeah, to figure out the problem. The first thing is simply go to connections, yeah, configure, and try to check your login details, yeah. You have Global Plus with 3-month subscription. From my point of view, go to your Bookmap login page and check if this subscription is valid or not. So now I think we get the, okay, now we got the first trade here on the settlement price. Looks tingling around here. Okay, and the first trade of the year, perfect, long at the settlement price, and yeah, nice easy trade setup, yeah. Business is done for today. So what we can do now is to basically set up an anchored VWAP here at the low. To see what's going to happen now. Is this support here at the settlement price really a turnaround, or just a small correction, yeah. Okay, now I also got here the Tesla news on TradingView. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Tesla global vehicle deliveries fell in 2024 for the first time in years. Okay, that is the news. But I don't think that this news will be important because for me, Tesla is simply a artificial intelligence company. Yeah? We have to say that. Now we can see that we actually found the bottom here. And this area also, yeah, probably a rotation. And we can see the market is going to the other side. And you can see this iceberg order here is probably pushing the market to the upside. Yeah, we can see here it's trailing higher, higher, higher. And the prices are basically hunting this iceberg order. Of course, this is my point of view, market manipulation. But of course, how to prove that, yeah. It would be illegal, but we can see here this is sort of interesting market play. Good morning, Kazal. Well, at least here in Germany, it's a good afternoon. Randy, how come my iceberg orders don't show me anything over 20 to 30? I never seen an iceberg order over 100. I'm not sure about your question. At least if you look here at my screen with the iceberg orders, well, we have 80 here, 133 was executed here. That's a sell limit iceberg order, yeah. 493 here. Maybe settings, configure add-ons. If you go to stops, where is it? Stops and icebergs on chart. If you look at these settings that I have here, they are basically the same, yeah. Aggregated threshold larger than 50. I only want to see these orders above 50, yeah. All the other ones are blurred because they're not that important for me. But I'm using the normal configurations, yeah, Randy. And also again, if you want to get faster support, you can all join the Discord channel. So we can see here this iceberg order. Well, now it's got filled to 25. Nirav Sony, do we require to buy extra level 2 data from Apex to trade in Bookmap? So I have Bookmap Rhythmic with MBO data, because Rhythmic only works with one connection at a time. So when I connect Apex, yes, you need extra, you need to have, if you want to trade through Bookmap and use level 2 data, you have to buy them from Apex, correct? If you want to trade the index futures, it costs like $10. So for me personally, I'm trading my Apex accounts through Bookmap. And yeah, that works it works fine. But you have to buy it additionally. And now we can see it was also a nice trading opportunity here at the session VWAP. But I already made my profit for the day, so. And I'm long on my private account for a longer trade. So now I think the next target should be here, the day VWAP. You can see the settlement price was a perfect entry point. Yeah, that was basically where the market wanted to go, and now fire free to the upside. Yeah. Greenway, my subscription is valid. This MBO bundle only works on Bookmap data. No, you can use Bookmap data feed, or you use the Rhythmic data feed. It must be an MBO data bundle. And why is it called MBO? If we go to the website of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, yeah, I can explain to you the. This is the link to the Chicago Mercantile Exchange market by order data. It's explained. There are MBP data. This is market by price versus MBO data. Yeah. Market by price, you can only see certain information on the bid and ask level. Market by order, you see all the separate details of each order. Yeah. Let's say if you see here in an order book 100 contracts, we know 10 contracts are from that trader, 20 from that trader, 30 from that trader, and so on. So all the different levels. And to actually recognize iceberg orders and so on, we need this sort of information to identify this. So that is the difference. And any data feed that yeah, basically are required to see that detailed information. And this is Rhythmic or the Bookmap data feed. So now we have reached the next target here, the day VWAP. And here my private account, I can also show you a nice trade. I went long at the settlement price, and now I just liquidated here at the session VWAP. Maybe the market is continuing to go to the upside, but I just take my profit here and let's see what's happening. Yeah, I took 20 points in that trade from the ES. That is quite good. I will also post a little screenshot of that trade later here in the Discord channel, so you can review this trade entry exit simple way. So let's have a look here at the stocks for a little bit. Tesla is recovering a little bit. Like I said, I don't believe that this was just a little sell-off because there's no liquidity in the market. So I think Tesla will go back. Rigetti, my new favorite stock, up at $16. Perfect. McDonald's at 292. A little bit more action in that stock. Do we see any liquidity? I think you see if you look at the SPY, which is the ETF on the ES, we have liquidity at 592. Probably that would be the next target. Yeah. At least it seems to be the only target. So ES is continuing. Yeah, like I said, I did a nice trade here on my personal account and of course on the proper account. So I'm going to make another coffee and then we are going to continue a little bit. Yeah, give me 1 minute of break. So I'm back. Well, market, yeah. I liquidated my long too early, but anyway, it's a good start in the new year. And I always like to rephrase the quote from the old Baron of Rothschild. I don't know if you know the story of the Rothschild family from France. He was one of the greatest trader or richest person, I think, in human history. And he said, when I was trading stocks, he said, yeah, I was always buying too late and selling too early. Yeah, that was probably the most influential person in the banking history ever, family of Rothschild. And I have to say, I really had the honor in 2010. I went to Bordeaux in France and I could visit the La Chateau de Rothschild, if you say this in French. I went there to their wine cellars and could see their really amazing underground wine storage. And of course, I could enjoy some 1982 Lafite Rothschild. It's one of the best wines ever, which is also my my birth year, my year of birth. The Chateau de Rothschild. Nirav, you can only connect one rhythmic connection at a time. It's like that here on Bookmap. At least correct me if I'm wrong about this, Stephen, but I think you can only connect one rhythmic connection at a time. That is, yeah, that is sometimes a little bit annoying. Yeah, I have to agree with that. But if you want to trade, for example, multiple accounts, there is the multi-account trading. Yeah, there you can connect more than one account at a time. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Alois. You can trade multiple accounts from Apex through Bookmap. That is possible with the trade copier. And that is working quite well. I'm using it basically every day, or every trading day. So where are we now? Here it's the ES. We had this dump exactly to the settlement price, perfect trade entry, and yeah, the next target I would say is here at 92. So now we have two iceberg orders here. Here. Okay, now the market continuing to the upside. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Yeah, you know, my trading day started quite well, and if Tesla is also closing the down gap, I am actually more happy. But my Rigetti stocks are surging again, over 16 bucks. That's okay. Tesla hanging around here at the VWAP, but I do not think that this is a long-term drop here. This is just a little bit nervousness, and of course the stock went quite well. And with Elon Musk in the government, yeah, the Dodge government, Department of Government Efficiency, not the Dogecoin, which I bought by the way also because it's it's a fun gamble. Yeah. So if there are no more questions here, then I would basically say I'm still here on holiday. Yeah. Tomorrow I'm not going to work. Basically today I also didn't want to work, but to greet you here in that community is always a big fun. And then I would say my normal trading is going to start next Monday, also in my community. Most of the people know this. And yeah, then I would say we see each other next week, or either in my community. Who's not a member there yet, I can also give you my link. for the English speaking community here. Even I didn't post this. I just switched on my computer today. You can join us here for free. I think on Discord everyone knows this. And if you want to join our daily trading, which is starting again on Monday, you can join us here on LIT Day Trading. And then you can also, yeah, our target is to get funded as quick as possible and to get payouts. I received a lot of payouts within 6 months or until now from Apex, until they actually blocked me. But I still have my accounts, yeah. So you can find us here. We have a yearly discount for that, and every day, starting from Monday again, we are going to the calendar, going to trade. Not tomorrow, on Monday again. So have a nice weekend. Enjoy your holiday. Don't trade too much. Yeah, next week the main business is going to continue, and I'm happy to see you again on Monday or next Thursday here, same time, same place. Yeah. So take care. Bye.